Thanks, David. So we're going to take a second to look at the Wolverine women, right? An important part of our basketball program as well. We'll start off with our overall record. Overall record is 14-4. The most impressive part about that is that Michigan women are still 7-0 at Chrysler, so still undefeated. Nice that they could bring those wins home for their fans. Michigan's also been constantly outscoring their opponents this season, so that's a good sign of things to come. Now, if we take a look at the past, starting with non-conference, Michigan has lost in their non-conference games. Most of them have been wins, but over middle of the road to sort of low end of the spectrum teams. The big competitive teams that they've played, being Maryland and Eastern Michigan University, are some of their losses. So not extremely impressive in non-conference play in terms of their wins, but they also did play very well in the Paradise Jam tournament, in which case they won 3 out of their 3 games. So that's a good sign for them. Also, in terms of the Big Ten record, Michigan women are 3-2. They have losses to Michigan State and Penn State, both away, but they have a win away against Illinois, and they have wins as well against Ohio State and Minnesota. So things are starting to look up for the women. Hopefully that will continue with their momentum as they head into Northwestern, which is their next game. Now, we've had several well-playing women of sorts, but we're going to take a look at Jenny Ryan, who is our Outstanding Player of the Week. Jenny Ryan hasn't been the highest point scorer. That still goes to Courtney Boylan, but she holds a respectable 7.6 average points per game, a total of 136 this season. She's also been leading in rebounds by far, with 27 offensive and 85 defensive rebounds, and has very high field goal percentages as well as field goal percentages as well. She's also played the most minutes, and hopefully she'll continue to play those minutes as the women go on and carry through their season. But that's all I have from the Wolverine Women's Corner. Back to you guys at the desk.